Anyways, so kung hindi niyo to makikita, kung na-upload ko to, that means that I passed the boards. Pero if not, then I'm still hoping.
Nagpakitena. Dalawa yung picture.
Actually differentiates it from Shigella. Notice how Shigella is tamad. Shigella wala yan, does not produce H2 is pa. No? And most of the biochemical tests for Shigella are negative. So yung wala ng daanan. Shigella.
약간 털 이렇게 인기가 많이 나오고. 중간에 한 거.
Today is July 12, 6 p.m. na currently, and supposedly sa schedule na binigay ng review center is yan. So PD na kami. Then micro nag-stop na nung 10. Kaso may isang araw here na ito. Hindi ako nakapag-aral here ng micro kasi I was so tired the whole day. So, nag-skip ako ng first day of pedia. I tried to finish as much as I can for micro. Pero, hindi ko talaga siya natapos. Kasi look, nasa page 29. 78 pa lang ako. Hindi pa ako halfway done. So, yan. So, I'm back to study. No. Printer na.
Ayan, pwede na yan. Pwede naman na siguro yan. Parang yung perfect niya, oh. Oh, di ba? Walang sumasama. Perfect! Ay, unti pa.
I am binding my reviewer kasi dumating na yung card, yung parang front page, yung this one. Kakadating lang, kakadeliver lang. I bought all of this sa Shopee. Ito, I borrowed this from Kim, my groupmate. Tada!
지금도 이미 끝난 지 오래됐고 그냥 찍으로
It's a gloomy day. Hi guys, so it is currently 2:30 in the afternoon ng August 22, and it's less than 50 days na lang, or mga 40 something days na lang, basta less than 50 days na lang till the first day of the boards. So yung first day ng boards namin is on October 4, 2025. So, it will be 4 days ng first week and second week. So, 2 weekends siya. Composed of 3 subjects per day. So, 12 subjects kami lahat. So, nag-enroll ako sa review center, but nag-online na lang ako para on my own time din. Pero I follow the prescribed schedule na binigay ng review center. Nakibahay.
Thank you for adopting me.
So, medyo late na ako mag-start today.
And even also on very extended side. So ganyan po sila isipin when you are facing someone in your
Good morning, guys! So, today is the first day of our surgery module, one of the hardest subjects daw ng board. So, I have my matcha here, made by yours truly. So, I'm starting with yung first chapter. I think it's a total of 19 lectures. 19 topics kasi.
So sino po magamit ng simulated dito? Okay, namely insoluble substances. So this can include gases, like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. It can include alcohol. It can include RC of urea. Amount reflected and bounce back, 0. Ilan yung pinadala mo? 4. Okay, in this scenario, so 0 over 4 is 0. Okay, so
waste of this area. Okay? So,
ng muscles sa likod, no? Kasi if you have a lateral deviation, obviously, mapupush yung scoliosis mo, mapupush ng vertebra o yung mga muscles nila.
From your hosts, Mary Grace Reyes and Cyrus Chrisley from the Medicine.
So that's what we have been seeing for the past 3 years. So close, I'm so anxious.
Hi! So, I sleep kasi, I usually put my handouts here. So for tomorrow's pearl session, we will be having IM muna, then OB-GYN.
Hi guys! So, I just finished biochem and parang feeling ko ang dami ko pang hindi alam. So, I was crying 5 minutes ago. Sobrang ang hirap kasi feel ko wala akong alam. Feel ko kulang pa yung inaral ko, kulang yung alam ko to pass. I just really want this. Gusto ko lang maging doktor. Yung idea ng feeling parang ang hirap tanggapin. I'm just gonna do my best and hope for the best results.
I just found out na sa MCU yung testing center ko, which is pretty far from here. Dapat nandun na kami by 6:30. So, I guess, gigising ako ng 3 a.m. Bahala na. Hindi ko na yung makakontrol. Ang makakontrol ko now is yung mga inaaral ko, yung mga dagdag knowledge. Yun, makakontrol ko ngayon. Nadagdagan lang yung anxiety ko. Oh my God. Ayan. Here is my board exam bag. So, I already made plancha sa aking white coat, blouse, pants for tomorrow. Yung watch ko nandito na rin sa gilid. So, yeah. Good morning, guys. Let's do it!
Ready na, Kim?
Hindi pa. Day 1 done! Yes, I bought coffee in advance for tomorrow. Ayan. Medyo hulas na ako. But I will still study tonight kasi may bukas na. Here's my outfit for day 2. Bio Jessie!
Yun lang, inhibits the muscles and then the compartment. Pero alin yung sa reflex kasi yung common terminal na pupunta sa
Ano mo na yung tanong?
napupunta sa superficial. Yung tanong is alin yung nag-ano ng reflex? Alin yung
I'm done with day 3. So tomorrow, ang last day, last 3 subjects.
Side effects niya, headache, flushing, dizziness, dyspepsia, back pain. Tadalafil. All antidepressants, lalo na yung mga SSRI, SNRI, mga anti-hypertensive, antipsychotics, lalo na mga first gen na mga chlorpromazine. Okay. Kaya mo yan, sis. Ano to?
Lord.
Bloody E1.
Hi Hi! 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 Ano, Mika? Hi! Hi, guys! Oh, hi. Magmamanifest tayo.
Uy, wag mo sama sa vlog kayo.
Bakit?
I don't want exposure.
Ikaw, number 1 fan ko eh! Post boards treat. Post boards dinner. Yes. It's exactly 4 days since natapos yung last day of the board exams. Nag-post na yung PRC na stay tuned na ma-release yung results today. So, I feel like it will be released tonight.
Tama, nag-flat on bed kasi ako nag-isang kaya trigger. Sandali, sandali.
Ito na.
Sandali, asan na yung...
Pasado si Julio. Oh my God.
Uy, pasado si Julio!
Oh my God!
Pasado ka?
Opo!
Ate Kim, pasado ka?
Opo!
Uy, hindi ko pa nakita eh! Ate Kim, anong... Oh, wag na yan. Paano na 75 o pasado kayong dalawa? Ko, nawala ang tahilo ko, Ate Kim.
Ay, grabe. Hindi ako makapaniwala mo.
Oo, sir. Anong hindi ka makapaniwala? Diyos ko, kami naniniwala ni Papa mo. Ikaw hindi ka maniwala sa sarili mo.
Oh.